Hello everyone, welcome back with Archicad basic tutorials how to cut hole in slab. Okay, first in here I will go into ground floor and then we can create a slab. You can click here slab. I will create stuff from this point into here. The next I will click for one story or the next floor. Okay, in here you can right click in ground floor and you can click show as tree reference. It will be show for the reference. The next we can use slab tools again, and I will slap this reference, and you can see in a 3D. So it will be correct to slap in here. The next I will go into ground floor, and we can create stair. Okay, I will create stuff from this point into here. This for the simple stair. You can right click, click OK. And if you see in 3D view, so it will be for the 3D view, and in here we need to create hole. So how to create or cut hole in this slab? You can go into one story. The next, you can click at this slab and click in point in here. So to be sure for these options, you can click in subtract from polygons. The next we can sort at this point until you see the mark. Click and then you can click at this point. Okay, you can go into 3D models and it will be automatically cut the holes in a slab. Okay, that's it. How to cut hole in slab with Archicad software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.